Let's understand how you can make hiring an agency work for you. Hi, my name is Garima. I'm a marketing and sales consultant and I help businesses build their own marketing and sales strategies. And if you haven't watched the previous video of why exactly hiring an agency did not work for you, then please go and watch that so that here you can understand how exactly can you make hiring an agency work for you. So let's dive into the video and understand what exact steps to take when you are hiring an agency or even looking for an agency. First is to make them understand that strategy comes first and ads and creatives and design comes later. If you have your strategy in place, that you know exactly who your audience is, what exactly to be presented to them, what exact things that you need to put out in order to pull in the type of audience that you want, the ideal customer of your business, then and only then get into making the creatives and all that stuff. Don't just judge an agency based off how beautifully they create something. Second is to gauge and understand how exactly is the agency understanding your business when you are speaking about it. Now for this you need to do some pre-work of getting clarity by yourself first, and if you want, just quite literally make a presentation by yourself of the exact words or the exact slides that you need to show someone in order to make them understand what your business is. And to do this, you should make the presentation or the script everything so crisp that even a 5-year-old can understand what exactly is your business, and that's your task. And if you are able to do it and overcome it, congratulations, I guess you have reached a very important milestone in your business. So moving on, notice that how exactly are they able to understand what do you require, what does the business in terms of marketing and sales requires and needs to be implemented. The third thing to do is to build your internal system first, your own clarity, your own positioning, audience persona, all these SOPs needs to be created by yourself first before you even hop into hiring someone to do the work, do the execution work for you. Just remember that when you hire an agency to work for you is for them to execute the stuff, because you as a business might not have the time or would want someone to do it for yourself, and that's okay. But you're hiring someone to execute it, not give you the brains. The initial product, the initial business idea is yours, and you have the best information, right? So you should have your own SOPs created in place before you even hop on to even building a team for yourself. The fourth thing is, see, most of the agencies have a built-in templates or a set system that they are going to work in, and that's okay. That's exactly how the business model works for an agency, right? But when you are hiring someone, know that what exactly is the system that they have in depth enough to get you results or to give you the work that you require, but at the same time see if they have any customized insights while you are in the meeting. You don't need to have solutions, you don't need to ask them for solution right away before you even hiring them, because that will be wrong, of course. But you can pick their minds onto small insights that they have, though, which are very strategic, which are very unique for you. And the fifth thing is to treat the agency like a plug and play system and not like an engine for your business. That does not mean don't trust the agency, but remember that they are just a feather in the hat and not the brains who wears the hat. Eventually, the head needs to be yours, the brains needs to be yours. So don't rely the guarantee that you require in a business, the guarantee of ROI. I hear this a lot, like what guarantee can you provide, and how much exact number can I expect as an ROI from you. All these things. Don't do that with an agency, because no one can give you that until no one can because no one can guarantee you results until you put in the efforts by yourself. So don't simply rely completely on an agency that just because we are paying you, that means you are supposed to, magically make things happen for us. No, that does not happen. Please get this in your mind that the business is yours. You have the emotional attachment with them, not others. So the person who's going to work the most is you. And it should be you because it's your baby, it's your idea. So make sure that before you hire an agency, you just know, go in with the mindset that these are someone who are going to highlight, enhance the beauty, but the real work needs to be come from you. You need to do the work. Now let's get into what exactly to do in order to gain the clarity. So first one is, you can either hire a consultant or a coach like me. So that's exactly wherein I come into the picture, where as a consultant, I help businesses understand their own marketing and sales strategies. People who don't have clarity, who don't know how to walk the path in order to create their own audience, their own positioning, and all these stuff. You can either hire a consultant or a coach. But before even getting into that, before even doing that, do your own research first. And in order to do that, you have all these free resources available. There are a lot of people, coaches and consultants themselves, like myself, who post free content over YouTube, over Instagram. Pick their brains there, see how they work in their content, and learn from that first. Read the books, watch the YouTube videos. All these big celebrity coaches and consultants, they have their own YouTube and content. So watch that, pick their brains there, understand there, do the initial groundwork by yourself. Then use simple tools before you get your validation on your offer or product. As I had mentioned before, in the initial stages, I used to manually send all these messages, take sales calls and all that stuff before I closed 2 to 3 clients. Then only then I hired help. I hired a team to do it for me. I bought softwares. But before that, I was using all the free resources until and unless my offer got validated. Because it's not like today you had an idea, you created a product and that's gonna work. A product or service, it's going to keep changing. There are going to be tweaks based upon what your audience wants. So before you validate it, use all these simple tools and techniques. There are free resources available, free softwares available. Do that, validate it, and then go into hiring someone to do it for you. And the last is to put your money in gaining the clarity first, then scaling the ads. The budget that you have kept for marketing, for sales, or for running ads and all that stuff, that you can compromise from. For now, you can maybe use less money in running the ads, but take some money from there and put into your clarity, your understanding. That's exactly where coaching and consulting comes. Take a help of a coach, take a help of a consultant, get clarity here, and then implement the clarity in hiring an agency, and then making them understand what exactly is the SOP that you as a business wants to work on. And then and only then the results that you get from that agency are going to give you the value of the efforts that you have put in. So understand that your business is not broken, or it's not like all the agencies are useless or worthless, but you just need to stop outsourcing the parts that you need clarity on in the first place. So if you are also a business who had worked with agency but it did not work and wants to gain clarity, then watch these videos wherein I help businesses understand their marketing and sales and how to create their own strategies. And if you want my help, then you can go to Instagram, and in my bio you will have a link to a discovery call to book a call with me, or I'll also put it in the description in the chat box, so that you can book a call with me and we can understand how we can make your business's growth smooth. And I'll see you in the next one.